car battery chargers keep batteries charged, extend lifespan, prevent breakdowns, and ensure reliable vehicle performance. Today's video is about top 5 best car battery chargers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at NOCO car battery chargers. The NOCO is a compact yet powerful battery charger that delivers excellent performance for a wide range of batteries. It supports both lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries, including AGM, gel, flooded, marine, and deep cycle types, making it highly versatile. One of its standout features is force mode, which can revive deeply discharged batteries by charging even from 0 volts. The built-in temperature compensation automatically adjusts charging based on weather conditions, ensuring safe and efficient performance year-round. Unlike traditional Trickle chargers, the Genius 2 also acts as an advanced battery maintainer, automatically reconditioning the battery every 24 hours while preventing overcharging. Its combination of smart technology, compact design, and reliable operation makes it an excellent choice for maintaining battery health and extending battery life for cars, motorcycles, boats, and other vehicles. Now our second product is Bruday car battery chargers. This 12V LiFePO4 battery charger is an excellent choice for anyone using lithium iron phosphate batteries. Designed specifically for 12V, 12.8V LiFePO4 batteries, it delivers efficient charging with over 90% energy efficiency, helping maximize battery performance and lifespan. The 14.6V, 10A output provides fast charging, bringing a 50Ah battery to 50% in approximately 2.5 hours, significantly quicker than standard 5A chargers. An easy-to-read LED indicator keeps you informed of charging status, while the durable housing and built-in cooling fan help prevent overheating during extended use. The included alligator clips make connecting the charger simple and convenient, even for beginners. Responsive customer support adds extra confidence for users who need assistance. However, it's important to note that this charger is designed exclusively for LiFePO4 batteries and should never be used with lead-acid batteries. Overall, it's a reliable, fast, and user-friendly charger for LiFePO4 battery owners. Our third product is Moto Power battery chargers. This battery charger is a dependable all-in-one solution for charging, maintaining, and restoring 12V lead-acid batteries. It supports flooded, AGM, gel, and other sealed maintenance-free batteries, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, boats, and seasonal vehicles. The automatic desulfation feature uses pulse current technology to help reduce sulfation and improve battery performance without requiring any manual adjustments. Its smart charging system transitions from charging to maintenance mode automatically, helping prevent overcharging, excessive gassing, and battery damage. Safety is another strong point, with ETL/UL certification, reverse polarity, short circuit, and overcharge protection, along with a spark-free connection design. The built-in 24-hour timer further enhances safe operation by switching to maintenance mode when appropriate. Setup is quick and straightforward, simply connect the charger and let it work automatically. Overall, this charger offers reliable performance, excellent safety features, and convenient operation, making it a great choice for long-term battery care. Now number 4, PLXX car battery chargers. This heavy-duty 12V/24V battery charger is a versatile and reliable solution for maintaining a wide range of lead-acid batteries. It supports AGM, gel, wet/flooded, EFB, calcium, MF, and deep cycle batteries from 4Ah to 300Ah, making it ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and more. The smart 7-stage charging system automatically detects battery voltage and offers both fast and slow charging modes for optimal performance. Its battery repair and desulfation function can help restore older or sulfated batteries above 3V, potentially extending their service life. The built-in LCD display clearly shows charging status, while winter mode improves charging efficiency in cold conditions. It also doubles as a 12V DC power supply for compatible applications such as electrolysis and rust removal. Comprehensive safety protections, automatic shutoff, durable construction, and a 3-year warranty make this charger an excellent choice for both home users and professionals. And our last choice is Kasparmp car battery chargers. This 12V6A smart battery charger and maintainer is a practical choice for keeping batteries in top condition. It supports most 12V battery types, including lead-acid, AGM, gel, maintenance-free, and LiFePO4 batteries, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, golf carts, and lawn equipment. The digital display clearly shows voltage, current, charging progress, and battery status, allowing users to monitor charging in real time. Its intelligent pulse repair function helps restore mildly sulfated lead-acid batteries and extend battery life, although it does not apply to lithium batteries. Comprehensive safety features, including reverse polarity, short circuit, overcurrent, and over-temperature protection, provide reliable and secure operation. With universal 100-240V input and dependable performance across various temperatures, it is well suited for home and garage use. Overall, this charger offers an excellent combination of smart features, ease of use, and dependable battery maintenance for everyday applications. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.